Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to Triples. I'm Shifa here. Today's topic is a day in the life of this generation Muslim mom. Bismillah, new day, new energy, same 4,000 responsibilities.
Mama, where's my school socks?
Beta, check under your bed, or maybe the washing machine ate it again. Eggs cooking, uniform ironing, Ayat's hair looking like a cartoon character, and husband says, Shifa, where is my charger? Maybe next to your other missing things, like my peace and patience.
Mama, my shirt's backward.
Ayat, beta, your uniform is backward again.
It looks funny. Bye, Mama. Don't forget my snacks.
Who needs a gym when school drops off exists, right? Finally, my chai, my sofa, my shoe. This is the peace. Alright, I'm also an influencer now. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Triples. Today we are talking about this light isn't the only thing that's about to break down. Oh, laundry done, lunch almost, video edit half, and iTunes homework, oh gosh, pending, like my skincare routine.
Mama, look. I drew you. See? You have 4 hands because you do everything, Mama.
Well, she's not wrong. Ya Allah. Who now?
Parcel for Shifa?
Yes, Bhaiya. I promise, I'm a human. This is just a skincare, not a horror movie. Tired, write neatly. C-A-D.
How do you spell procrastination? Is that a long word?
Beta, that's Mama's word, not yours. Oh look, someone commented, how do you manage everything so calmly? Sis, the calm is edited. Finally, house clean, dinner done, Ayat bath, namaz time soon. Now, finally, my me time. And that was my 30 seconds of peace.
Shifa, did you see my wallet?
Mama, I spilled juice. Sorry, Mama.
So yeah, this generation Muslim mom wants everything perfect. Clean home, happy kid, YouTube hustle, namaz on time, skincare glowing, house aesthetic. But you know, sometimes I just want silence and maybe a nap longer than 8 minutes.
Mama, can I sleep with you tonight?
Of course, beta. Mama's tired, but her heart is full of love.
Yay! Love you, Mama.
If you felt this chaos, like, share and subscribe to Triples because every mom deserves a little laugh, a little dua, and a hot cup of chai. Take care.
Until then, Allah Hafiz.